The next landform is plateaus. Plateau or tableland is one of the important landforms of the earth created by geological forces and movement of the earth's plates. It is a raised ground or a highland with relatively flat terrain. Plateaus, including enclosed basins, cover about 45% of the Earth's surface and are found both on land and in the oceans. Higher plateau regions are often suitable for grazing of livestock, and lower plateau regions are useful for farming. A plateau differs from a mountain as a mountain has a jagged peak at the top. Plateaus are formed either when mountains get worn down or when a large portion of flat earth is pushed up from the earth. On the basis of their geographical location and structure of rocks, plateaus can be classified as intermontane plateaus, continental plateaus, lava plateaus. First of all, we will discuss intermontane plateau. Plateaus which border a fold mountain range or are partially or fully enclosed within them are called intermontane plateaus. Vertical movements raise these extensive landforms of nearly horizontal rocks to thousands of meters above sea level. The extensive and over 4,500 meter high plateau of Tibet is one such example. It is surrounded by fold mountains like Himalayas, Karakoram and Tian Sha on its two sides. The Tibet Plateau is the highest and largest plateau in the world. It also contains the two highest peaks in the world, Mount Everest and Mount K2. The Plateau of Colorado is another well-known example, over 1 kilometer high, into which rivers have cut the Grand Canyon and series of gorges. The Plateau of Mexico, Bolivia and Iran are also examples of this type of plateau. Next is continental plateau. These are formed either by an extensive continental uplift or by the spread of horizontal basic lava sheets completely covering the original topography to a great depth. The volcanic lava covered plateau of Maharashtra in India and Snake River Plateau in northwest USA are the example of this type. These are also called the plateau of accumulation. All continental plateaus show an abrupt elevation in contrast to the nearby lowland or the sea. As compared to other types, these plateaus cover a vast area like Great Indian Plateau and those of Arabia, Spain, Greenland, Africa and Australia. They may be tilted on one side without any disturbance in the horizontal nature of underlying rock strata, as in the case of the Great Indian Plateau. Next is lava plateau or volcanic plateau. The lava comes out on the surface of the earth as a result of volcanic activities and spreads in the surroundings area and forms lava plateau. For example, the southern plateau of India and the plateau of Colombia. Now the importance of plateaus. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Many mining belts in the world are located in the plateau areas. Most of the mining areas in India are in the Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The African plateau is famous for mines of gold and diamond. Many waterfalls are present in plateau areas. For example, the Hundru Falls in the Chota Nagpur and Jog Falls in Karnataka. The lava plateaus are rich in black soil. Black soil is fertile and is good for cultivation. Plateau areas are great tourist attractions because of numerous scenic spots. Thank you and have a nice day.